solve the absolute value of x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 2. So there are two possibilities here. Either this expression is positive, so it's going to be x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 2, or it's negative, so it's negative x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 2. And so at this point we solve these two expressions for x, subtract 2 from both sides here, we can factor out the GCF x, and we can use the zero product theorem to determine that the two roots here are going to be 0 and positive 5. In this case here, we are going to start by dropping the brackets, which will make all the signs switch. So we're going to get negative x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 2. Then we subtract 2 from the right hand side. Negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. And now we're going to factor this. So the coefficient a in front of the x squared term, here it is a equals negative 1. And this means that we're going to be using the method of decomposition. We would be looking for two numbers that add. Their sum is positive 5 and their product is positive 4. So negative 1 times negative 4 is positive 1. Positive 4, sorry. Now, the method of decomposition is a little bit longer than the method of inspection, but the method of inspection can only be used if a equals to positive 1. Now, we can make it positive 1 with this simple trick. We can, let's get rid of this here. And we can make it positive 1 by multiplying the entire left-hand side by negative 1 and the right-hand side by negative 1. When you are solving expressions, algebraic expressions, you can do really anything you want as long as you do the same thing on the left and right-hand side. And here what we're doing is we're just multiplying both sides by the same number, negative 1. And the only effect it will have is that it will reverse the signs. So here we're going to be left with x squared, positive x squared. So now a is 1, so that's good. Negative 5x plus 4. And on the right hand side, 0 times negative 1 will have no effect. Now we can factor it. So we're looking for two numbers whose sum is negative 5 and product is positive 4. So these two numbers are going to be negative 4 and negative 1. So negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. So this is just a little bit quicker using this method than using the method of decomposition, because then you have to be doing grouping and so on. So it's going to be x minus 4 and x minus 1, and we can see that the two roots are going to be positive 4 and 1. So the solution to the following expression are the following four roots.